guys, there's a game called Teen Patti Master. Oh, that's the one. There'll be the link in the description below. If you like to play cards, then you can go to the description of the video and you'll find the link of the Teen Patti Master and you can download that. And also you can earn real money from this game and you can withdraw that money through UPI. So it's a very nice thing. If you want to play a game, you can play the game or you can just share the game with all your friends. Then also you'll earn money. So you get the details right here. So to check my description, check out the link. What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's Adi Technoboy and today I'm gonna unbox and check this Kent hot air fryer. So air fryer is a very good thing. As you know, it uses less oil, so it's a very healthy thing to fry in an air fryer. But I don't know yet how the test is or how the test is gonna be. So this is the first time I'm gonna use this air fryer. So this is from Kent, as you can see, and that's the price. MRP is 9,500 and total weight is 4.3 kgs, the actual unit weight, and the power consumption is 1350 watt, 1350 watt, and the pan capacity is 1.4 kgs, the actual pan in that what you are in that where you're gonna fry all your things. So that's it. Now let's quickly open this thing. As the seal is open, as you can see, because after I got the delivery I opened this thing and checked the product if all good inside. So let's open again. So at the top the thermocol, and here the product itself. That's the top side. This thing is silver in color and rest of the things are black. So let's get it out. And at the bottom another thermocol. So what else? You get user manual, instruction manual, where you can see so all the important details, and warranty card is in there, this thing, and nothing else in the box. So that's the air fryer, and that's the back side. This is a vent for air outlet, and this is the AC cord, which is pretty small in length, like not even 1 meter, less than 1 meter. And at the top you can see that's a silver finish, and there's a vent for air inlet, so it sucks the air from here. And that's the front panel. It's a digital panel with LED display right here, and all the buttons are there. The menu, cool down button, start, power, and that's for temperature, up and down, and that's for timer, plus and minus. And these are the menus, like French fries, peanuts, chicken, fish, samosa, aloo tikki, and that's for defrost, baked corn. When you press the menu button, these menus are gonna get selected one by one. Like you press the menu button once and you get the French fries light on here, and you get it, press it again and get the peanuts lights on here. So it works like that. And the defrost means, I guess, when you use it for the first time, everything stays cool. So when you defrost it, then it's gonna get some heat inside, and then when you cook something, that's gonna take less time. So that's it. And this is a pan, as you can see, quite big in size. And this is a tray in it. So as far as I know, you need to rub oil on this inner tray, and then you're gonna put your things what you gonna fry, and then put it inside and turn this on. That's it. You just need to clean this thing every time you use it. So well, that's it. That's the hot air fryer, and this pan is
It's very good quality. So I'm gonna use it, but before I need to read the instruction manuals, all of it, how we're gonna use it, and I'm gonna make a detailed video on this thing, how to use it, and how it actually works, and the result, all of it. But now, just for once, I'm gonna turn it on and show you the display and all. So let's wait for that. Alright, so this thing is right here on my computer table because the wire length is very less, as I told you, and this is connected right there. And as this is a high wattage appliance, so I cannot plug it to any plug in my room. So I've connected here, and just to show you the display and all, so let's turn this thing on. Okay, let me show you once more. When you turn that main switch on, all the display lights are on for a second and then go off. Ready? Just like that. It looks very nice. And then you need to turn the power on. And the default temperature is 180 degree. And the default timer set is 15 minutes. You can increase the timer and can increase the temperature to 200. 200 is the max, and timer "60 minutes", that's the maximum timer. So you can select according to your needs. And now you can see all these lights are off. So now when I press the menu once, this French fries is on, and then again press peanut is on. Now the chicken, the fish, samosa, aloo tikki, defrost, and baked corn. So it works like that. You just need to select any option from here and then set the timer and the temperature and then press the start button. That's it. Very simple. So that's it. That was unboxing and testing video of this Kent air fryer. And I'm gonna do a detailed video of this thing later. So for now, that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.